This is pure cocoa powder, no chemicals, no additives, and today I will show you how to make it completely from scratch. When you get your cocoa, the very first thing you need is to process it properly. After harvesting the cocoa pods, start by breaking them open carefully. Inside, you will see fresh cocoa beans covered in white sticky pulp. Now take the beans out and pour them into a clean container. Make sure you remove everything from the pod. Don't leave any beans behind. Now that you have removed all the beans from the cocoa pods, the next step is fermentation. To do this, line a small basket with fresh banana leaves. This helps retain it and also allow excess liquid to drain out easily. Then pour in your cocoa beans. Cover the beans with another layer of banana leaves. After that, place the basket into a sour bag or cover it properly to keep it warm. Now leave it to ferment for about 3 to 5 days depending on the weather and how warm the environment is. Once fermentation is complete, the next step is drying. Spread the fermented cocoa beans under the sun in a clean open space. Make sure they are well spaced so they can dry evenly. Stir them from time to time to prevent mold and ensure all sides are dry properly. This process can take several days depending on the sunlight. You will know they are properly dried when they feel hard and no longer sticky. After drying, the next step is roasting. So pour the dried beans into a pan and roast on low heat. Keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. As you roast, you will notice a strong chocolate aroma. That's when you know it is ready. Once roasted, take it off the heat and allow the beans to cool down completely. Once cooled, the next thing to do is to gently break them and remove the outer shells. This process is called winnowing, okay? What you are left with are the cocoa nibs, and this is the main ingredients for cocoa powder. After removing all the shells from the cocoa beans, the next step is grinding. Pour the cocoa nibs into a blender. At this point, you can add a little sugar if you want a slightly sweet taste. Then blend everything together until it turns into a fine powder. Make sure you blend it very well so the texture becomes smooth and consistent. Once blended, transfer it into a clean dry container. You can mix this with milk to make a rich chocolate drink or use it for baking. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants, boosts energy, and is completely natural, no chemicals added. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy DIY recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.